Maybe you have dreams. It's good to have dreams. It's great to even achieve your dreams. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to another video. Do remember, do subscribe if you haven't subscribed already to this channel, and stay updated by pressing the notification button and pressing the bell. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a variety of things: goals, desires, dreams, your why, and why you should still go after your goals. Your goals may be to have a fast car, a high performance car. It may be to have a nice home, a mansion even. Well, all this is achievable. It is actually possible. And why shouldn't you go after your goals? Everyone should go after their goals. Goals are important, most definitely. And it could take a team of you to achieve your goals. So you may need a team. You may have to work long hours, hard hours. You may have to work very smart. You may need people to help you with your goals. And that is definitely important, because the more goals you have, the more help you will need. And you can't necessarily just get help from anyone, but it's a start. Volunteers is a great way to start pursuing your goals if you want to learn about your goals. And a great way to have help is by having volunteers also. There's only one way to make money, and that's by finding out what other people's wants and needs are and providing for as many people as possible. Knowing people and people knowing you, knowing that you're likable and trustworthy, is definitely going to help you. Do remember, focus on other people's desires and needs and wants, and you'll go far in life. Trust me, it works. To work hard, be persistent and consistent. Do remember also to be giving and give more than you get. Work, train hard. Keep practicing. Put in the hours. Do a little bit more. That's what gets you to excellence. We can do it. You can do it. I can do it. We all can do it. Together we can do it. Time is a major factor. Some people leave it up to chance. Some people make things happen. Time is the essence. And time can never be regained. So don't waste time. Get your team together and go after all that you want to achieve. You never know how far you could actually go with the potential that you have. Action, faith, desire, your why. Family is a good why. When you hit that threshold where you feel like you've hit a wall, your why can take you further than you expected. It could be your family that drives you to the extra point for you to get to your goals and dreams. Maybe you have a mansion in your goals and dreams. Maybe a high performance car. Maybe it's to take vacations. Maybe it's to earn a business. You can do it. It's all possible. Have a clutter-free mind. Ask, believe and receive. Give. Find ways to serve people. Collaborations is a great way to go about business. Do not forget God. Pray. Step by step, you can do what you need to do. Don't forget to pay your tithes so that God will bless you and bless your work. Invest your money also and keep up your momentum. Momentum is very important. Aim to excel and do that a little bit more for excellence. A lot of people don't do the little bit more, which takes them a lot further than the average person. Think on what you want and don't think on what you don't want. Uncommon achievers seek opportunity. Success leaves clues. So be constant, be persistent. Do all you can do. So if you haven't already, do subscribe. Do click the like button. It helps the channel and it helps me also. Press the notification bell so that you get notified every time a video is uploaded. And we'll see you on the next video. Do something awesome and great with your life.